Our new topic is ecology. Ecology is a part of biology that studies organisms, the environment, and the interactions between the two. The term ecology comes from the Greek word oikos, which means house, and it was said by the German scientist Ernst Haeckel, who saw the world as a household in which each organism plays a role. To make the study of our house, the planet, easier, ecologists divide it in different levels. The first level is an individual, one organism of a particular species, for example, a zebra. The second level is a population, that is a group of organisms of the same species in the same area, for example, a group of zebras. The third level is a community, or a combination of different populations that live in the same area. In the same place, you can find zebras, rhinos, and giraffes. The fourth level is an ecosystem, which includes all the organisms that live in a particular area with the physical parts of the environment, like water, air, light, and soil. The fifth level is a biome, that is a group of ecosystems that have the same climate and similar dominant communities. The main biomes on Earth can be summarized in five: desert, grassland, forest, tundra, and marine. The sixth and last level is the biosphere, which is a combination of all the biomes in the planet. For example, the Sahara Desert is located in the north of Africa. In the Sahara Desert, we're going to use as an example the dromedary camel. One camel is an individual. Usually in the desert, there is more than one camel. The group of camels is called a population. Camels are not the only species that live in the desert. They live with different organisms like the common sand viper or the camel spiders. These three, with all the other organisms that live in the desert, are called a community. The community needs, besides each other, non-living things like air, soil, sun, and water. These are important because they define the characteristics of the environment, such as temperature, rainfall, winds, type of soil, and so the living things need to adapt to those conditions in order to survive. The combination of communities, soil, air, water, and sun is called an ecosystem. The Sahara Desert is not the only desert in the world. There are other ecosystems that share similar physical conditions and so similar living things. The group of all the specific deserts in the world is called a biome, the desert biome. The different biomes are distributed around the world. Recall that mostly biomes on Earth can be summarized in five: tundra, forest, grassland, desert, and marine. But there are different types of each. As we saw before, not all the deserts on Earth are exactly the same. Let's learn more about them.